Students, in this video we will discuss the topics of that chapter work, energy and power, but we will discuss only those topics which are important from the point of view of your midterm exam. Alright students, first we will discuss work. What is work? In Hindi we say that काम. So we all know that if we do some activity we say that हमने काम किया, but in scientific terms work is said to be done only when the force is applied on an object and the object moves to a certain distance in the direction of applied force. Students, now we will discuss the different situation in which a work is done positive or a work is done negative. Alright, so first thing is when the force is acting in the direction of displacement. In such a condition, work is done in the same direction in which the force is applied, and the object also is moving in the direction of the force applied. So such work is a positive work, right? And work done is calculated by using the formula W is equal to F into S. Means work done is equal to force applied into distance traveled. In second condition, when the force is acting in the direction opposite to the displacement, suppose we apply a force on an object and object moves in opposite direction to the force applied. In such condition, the work done is negative. Third condition is when the force acts perpendicular to the displacement of the object, right? In such condition, we use the formula work done W is equal to F into S cos theta. Here theta is the angle between the plane or between the object and the force applied. If the force applied is perpendicular to the object, then theta will be equal to 90 degree. Okay, so if we put the value of theta in the formula W is equal to F into S cos theta, we will have W is equal to F into S cos 90. Since the value of cos 90 is 0, so work done will be equal to 0. Students, now we will discuss the unit of work. We know that the formula for calculating work is W is equal to F into S, and unit of force is Newton, right? And the unit of displacement or distance S is meter. So the unit of work is Newton into meter or joule, right? Now let us try to understand the concept of energy. In scientific terms, energy of an object is defined as its capacity of doing work or we can say that the capacity of doing work of an object is called energy, right? Now unit of energy is also equal to joule, because ability of doing work is termed as energy and unit of work done is joule. So the unit of energy is also joule. Now students, we will learn about the type of energies. First one is kinetic energy and another one is potential energy. Kinetic energy of an object is said to be the energy obtained by an object due to its motion, and the potential energy is said to be the energy attained by an object due to its special position. I can give you an example. A running ball has the energy because of which it is moving on the ground. This energy is attained by the ball due to its motion, so it has kinetic energy in it. But a football which is situated at a certain height, if we give it a small push, it starts moving downwards and moves a long distance before stopping. So the energy by virtue of which it started moving down was due to its special position. What was its special position? Its special position was that it was placed at a certain height. So such an energy which is attained by an object due to its special position is known as its potential energy. Friends, formula for calculating kinetic energy of an object is given by Ke is equal to half mv square, where m is the mass of the object and v is the velocity of the object. So the formula for calculating kinetic energy is Ke is equal to 1 upon 2 mv square. Okay, and the formula for calculating the potential energy of an object is Pe, means potential energy, is equal to m into g into h, where m is the mass of the object, g is the gravitational force of attraction, and h is the height of the object. Now I am showing you how to derive an expression for calculating kinetic energy. I am showing you the page of the book. Please see the method of deriving the formula for calculating kinetic energy of the object. Students, now we will discuss rate of doing work, that is power. So power of an object is defined as the rate of doing work or the rate of transfer of energy. So power is given by the formula P is equal to W upon T, where P is the power of the object, W is the work done, and T is time. Okay, and the SI unit of the power is equal to SI unit of work upon SI unit of time. So SI unit of work is joule, while the SI unit of time is second. So SI unit of power is joule per second, or we can call it watt.